Good day, everyone. So we have our activity today entitled Natural Resources. So as you can see here, we have set of questions that the students need to answer. So for question number one, the answer there is choice A, renewable resources. So you can shade the answer with green color. Number two, the answer is choice A again, solar power. Question number three, the answer is still choice A. For question number four, the answer is choice B, animals. And for question number five, the answer is choice B, heating homes. So they will just shade the answer with their favorite color. So in this particular activity, the answer key is also provided, as you can see there. All those that are shaded with green are the answers, correct answers to the questions, so that it would be easier for you to check the answer of the students since the answer key is provided already. Then once they are all done answering the questions, they can proceed now to the drawing, which is at the back. And the drawing is also number coded. So the number there represents the color that they need to put on the drawing. So say for example, for question number one, it was choice A and the color there is orange. So they will color the entire number one with orange. So you will look for all number ones there and you color it with orange. And number two, it's pink. So you color all number two with pink color. So you look first for all number two and then you color it with pink. So once you are all done coloring number two with pink, we can proceed now to question number three. And in question number three, everybody, as you can see, the color is gray. So you need to look for all number threes there and you color it with gray. So look for all number threes and color it with gray. Once you're done with all number threes, you can go now to question four. And for question four, it's blue. So you look for all number fours there and you color it with blue. So this will really measure the ability of your students to follow instruction and to properly color the picture as well. So you can see here, once they're all done putting the colors on the drawing, so this is the finished product or the final outcome of their work. So you can check their answer if their answers are correct. At the same time, you can also check on how they properly color the drawing. So that's it for our activity entitled Natural Resources.